Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Gemini 8 sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, Two of Pentacles, Three of Wands, Empress and Eight of Wands. There is lots of communication is coming for you, Gemini, and you are on your power and you will be in this Empress energy and you are emotionally very stable. And Three of Wands, lots of you are in long distance relationship with your person right now and you are waiting on someone or something, and at the same time you're juggling. You have to make some decision regarding your life, regarding your relationship, whatever may be, but you're juggling. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Ace of Cups, Hermit and Wheel of Fortune. You love this person a lot, but there are some issues between you and your person. Then you isolated from all and you're healing and you're taking rest, or you're seeing every thing in detail and you're waiting for your turn. And definitely Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely things will turn into your favor. For some already things already turned into your favor. For some, a brand new love or new person is already entered in your life. If not, they will. Then present Six of Swords, Seven of Pentacles and Nine of Swords. Lot of issues, lot of fightings going between you and your person, or they always in and out of your life. They are not available to you. They always keep putting you in waiting. That's why you fed up with this energy, because waiting causes a lot of anxiety and depression in you. That's why maybe you decided to walk away from this connection. There is no calmness in this connection. Always there is disturbances in this relationship. That's why you want to move towards calm water. Then future, Six of Pentacles, Knight of Swords and Four of Swords. Especially there is no equal give and take. They are always treating you as an option. So you are taking rest, you are healing from this anxiety and depression. But again, someone is rushing to communicate with you. For some it could be a past person, for some it could be a brand new person, depending upon your situation. But you are taking rest, you are healing. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then especially Virgo, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, Five of Wands, Empress, Two of Pentacles and Nine of Swords. Yeah, definitely they are also thinking about you a lot, feeling anxiety and depression. And Two of Pentacles, they are also juggling, and they see you as a empress because you will be in this energy and there is lot of drama is going. Family could be the issue here. Maybe family not accepting your love. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Gemini. Page of Swords, Four of Wands and Temperance. Maybe your person patiently waiting for right time or right opportunity. They are spying you a lot. and they want this happiness, this celebration with you. Lots of you are in twin flame journey, and your person is very very attracted to you. But what is the issue in this connection is there is no stability at all, there is no clarity. That could be the issue maybe. And right now they really want a brand new beginnings with you. Yes, they want success in this connection, and there is communication is coming. So your person want to start with you again from zero, and they're very very passionate about you. And here patience is the key. So let's see their intentions. They're being very patient in these recent times, and they want to restore balance within their self also. They are balancing things. Oh gods, I'm not. So they are stuck on you. They're very, very attracted to you. So they are waiting for right time to approach you, and they do love you, Gemini. But again, I'm seeing here, I'm not seeing any honest or solid action towards you. They're feeling stuck, but they will come. Definitely, they are very, very passionate about you. But again, there is no clarity what I'm getting here. Yeah, they will express their love. Yes, here, see, commitment. Nine of Wands. When they coming about commitment or marriage, they're guarded up. They come and go, they come and go, but there is no clarity at all. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, juggling. They want you, but they don't want to take responsibility, because for some maybe your person have ego problems also. Yeah, it was one type of ending between you and your person, but they want a rebirth in this connection. They have romantic feelings for you. I think you are focusing on your money, on your abundance. At the same time, you're feeling stuck. For some, you're spiritually awakening, Gemini. Yes, you are focusing on your money. You are getting financial stability. You are working hard towards your goals. And in relationship wise, you are feeling sad and you are very, very tired. And your wishes are going to be granted. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, communication apology is coming, and lots of you are involved in a long distance relationship, or some cycles are repeating between you and your person again and again. Right now you both missing each other a lot, spying, you both are spying on each other. Definitely communication apology is coming. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Options: will you forgive me? And past person return, toxic person. So the messages are options: will you forgive me, past person return, and toxic person. So these are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Don't let your past hold you back, South Node. So if you're having any past issues, so leave that baggage and move on. So this is the message. Let's see another message. And do meditation to heal yourself completely. And you are good enough. If you are feeling that you are not good enough, this is the message for you. You are good enough. Full moon in Virgo, Virgo energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.